This is a breath and body guided meditation. Remember, you can't meditate wrong. It's part of the Intro to Mindfulness Meditation series, and your mind is always going to be going. Notice when your mind wanders and gently and with kindness, bring it back to your anchor. If your anchor is your breath, the in breath and the out breath, or if it's easier for you to go ahead and use your hands as an anchor or where you're sitting, or you can use your whole body as an anchor, whatever is easiest for you. Be gentle and always with kindness. So begin by taking a moment to sit in an upright and dignified posture with both feet flat on the floor. Feel the connection of the earth supporting you. Maybe have a sense that your body is supported, alert, yet at ease. A posture that allows you to be comfortable and relatively still. Allowing your eyes to close gently if that feels okay, or just lowering your gaze and establishing a simple sense of presence. Now, bringing attention into the areas of contact that your feet are having with the floor, feeling into the feet, noticing the solid ground under your feet. Now, allowing your awareness to scan through your body and wherever possible, softening and releasing obvious areas of physical tension. You might take a few very full breaths and then allow your breath to be natural. On the exhale, release anything that no longer serves you. Bringing your attention to where you most easily detect the breath, or perhaps where it's most pleasurable. Letting this place of experiencing the breath be your home base or anchor, and anchor to the present moment. Noticing this breath right here. If the breath is not a good anchor for you, you might instead anchor your attention in the sensations in your hands or the sensations of your whole body sitting here. Now, with relaxed, interested attention, discover what the sensations of the breath or your chosen anchor feel like moment to moment. Where is your attention now? Each time you notice that your mind has wandered off is a moment of mindfulness. Gently bringing your attention back to the inflow and outflow of the breath or your chosen anchor, offering a relaxed, wakeful presence. Now, scanning your body and noticing if any particular sensations are strong and calling your attention. If so, allowing the breath or your home base to recede to the background and bringing an interested, kind presence to the sensations. What do they feel like? You might be aware of heat or cold, tingling, aching, vibrating. With a soft, open awareness, feeling the sensations as they are noticing, are they pleasant or unpleasant? As you fully attend to them, do they become more intense or dissipate? Noticing how they change. When the sensations are no longer a strong experience, returning to mindfulness of breathing or your chosen anchor. If you find it difficult to stay with strong sensations, you might breathe with them, letting the breath help you find some balance and openness in the midst. It can also be helpful to name the sensations, seeing if there's a word that describes your experience: tightness, ache, pressure, heat. There's no need to strain or to run through a mental thesaurus to find the right word. Notice what word arises in awareness and mentally repeat it to yourself in a soft tone, letting the naming be soft in the background. You might ask yourself, what is happening inside me right now? Noticing any sensations that are dominant, and then ask, can I be with this? Directly feeling the flow of sensation, subtle or strong, letting life be just as it is. Now, returning to your home base, the breath or anchor of particular sensations, offering a calm, steady attention. If during this last minute or so, strong sensations call your attention, letting your primary anchor recede and bringing a full attention again to what's arising, naming what you notice, offering your presence. If nothing strong is calling your attention, continuing to rest with your anchor, relaxed and alert. sensing the breath, still aware of the field of sensations, learning to be centered, balanced, and present for the breath and the living world of sensation. Coming to the end of this short meditation, bringing your attention to the breath or whatever anchor works for you, relaxing into this space in whatever way is easiest for you. In a moment, I will ring the bell, and that will end our short mindfulness practice. That's the end of this breath and body guided meditation. Feel free to wiggle your fingers and toes, move your head from side to side. And thank you for meditating with me. Take a look at the other meditations in the playlist. There's a mindfulness of thought meditation, mindfulness of breath, and there's a mindfulness of emotion coming next week. Have a wonderful day.